Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ricoh Theta S camera to your phone. First, download the official Ricoh Theta S application from your phone's app store. Make sure your Ricoh Theta S camera has a full charge before you begin. Then, simply turn on your camera by pressing its power button. This initial setup ensures you are ready for a seamless connection process, allowing you to control your camera remotely and view your amazing spherical content. Next, let's establish the Wi-Fi connection. Press the wireless button on your Ricoh Theta S camera to activate its Wi-Fi signal. On your phone, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings. You should see a network named Theta followed by several numbers. Select this network. The default password is often the last 8 digits of your camera's serial number, or sometimes Ricoh Theta. Enter this password to connect your phone directly to your camera's network. Once connected, open the Ricoh Theta S application on your phone. The app should automatically detect your camera, indicated by a camera icon or a connected status message. Now you can access the live view, allowing you to see exactly what your camera sees. From here, you can easily capture stunning spherical photos or record immersive videos. You can also adjust various camera settings, such as exposure and white balance, all from your phone. If you encounter any issues, try these troubleshooting tips. First, restart both your phone and your Ricoh Theta S camera. Ensure your phone's operating system is updated for the best compatibility. For a stable connection, keep your phone within approximately 10 meters of the camera. Also, temporarily disconnect from other Wi-Fi networks to avoid interference. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth and reliable connection for capturing your panoramic moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.